So hi, welcome to this spacious two-bedroom here in Park Makiluwes. So upon entering, this will be your kitchen. So what you see here is what you get. Kasi ito na talaga yung actual. Lots of cabinets, meron tayong over-and-counter cabinets. Lavatory, sobrang lawak niya. Meron tayong 4 induction cooktop. Oven is also included, may range hood. And then sa kabila naman, this will be your maid's room or pwede nyo siyang i-convert as a guest room. Ayan. And this side naman will be the living and dining. Grabe, sobrang lawak nito. So, pwede nyong pag-isipan kung saan nyo ilalagay yung sofa nyo, yung pwede nyo ilagay dito yung dining table, chairs nyo, and then meron tayong access to the balcony. Aircon nga pala is included na rin dito. Ayan. So, punta naman tayo dito sa first bedroom nyo. So, sa first bedroom nyo, ayan, ceramic wood plank siya, and then split type aircon is also included. Meron din tayong modular closet. Meron din tayong access to your balcony. Ayan. On this side naman will be your common toilet and bath. So what you see here is what you get na talaga. May mirror, may lavatory, meron tayo dyan water closet, glass partition, and rain shower na rin siya. And then, eto naman yung master bedroom. So sa master bedroom nyo, spacious, queen size bed pwede dito. Included na yung modular closet. Aircon is also included here. Meron din tayong access to balcony. At ang maganda dito sa master bedroom, meron siyang sariling toilet and bath. Ayan. So what you see here is what you get na rin. So again, this is a 2-bedroom unit, 110 square meter. We offer at least 10% down payment to move in or 4 billion. So if you want to know more, again, I am Jared Magnai and welcome to Buhay Ahente. Salam.